What are the top priorities that you encourage your clients to focus on to help their companies improve their financial position?
Right. So if you, when we look at a company's financial position, really there are 5 areas we want to focus on. One is cash flow management and cash flow generation, like how much the business is generating in terms of cash, and understanding that in the context of the life cycle of the business itself, and if possible, there, take a deeper dive again to the different segments and each segment's life cycle. That is a key driver for improving financial performance. Profitability of the business overall, as well as the segments. What are the opportunities to increasing revenue or controlling costs? So those are, we can look at a financial statement and based on our experience working with different industries, we can quickly sort of gauge where, whether certain things are off and don't fit the profile of the company. And that's where it kind of helps you probe into, what's the reason and whether there are opportunities for profit improvement there. Certainly looking at debt management, how well is the company capitalized and how much is it taking advantage of debt versus equity, or balance of debt and equity to drive its business forward and maintaining a healthy balance sheet. What are some of the financial planning and forecasting processes in place? Because that is a key driver. Business changes so fast, as we all know, that you gotta be, the days of just doing an annual budget and set it and forget it are gone. You have to do much more regular forecasting, depending on the size of the organization and all that. It could be monthly, could be quarterly, could be semi-annually. But at least there's a much more rigor that is needed on that side of things to understand how things are moving now against your original plan and what has changed, and then coming up with mitigating strategies. And all of this is done through essentially tracking your KPIs, right? What KPIs are you tracking, and do you have good visibility, and are you able to see the movement and see the trends?
Perfect. Thank you.